You're a very wicked person. So this is how you used to behave. Eh? I'm talking to you, you're keeping me. Wait. Now because of me, now you 100. So me and Jen now they talk. Now I make you 100 so that you not go hear it they talk. Now me and Jen now they talk now, eh?
That won't be the issue now.